Hey everybody, Mark Edward Lewis here from Cinema Sound. Today we're going to be testing the Aston Microphone's Halo. Now there's been a ton of porta recorder, porta studio things that we've shown and used over the years, but honestly nothing has worked really at all, and certainly nothing that's been worth its money. This is the first thing that we've seen. We saw it a year ago at the NAMM show that really gave us pause to go, maybe this will work. Right now you're actually in my living room, which has a big mirror over there. It's 4 reflective walls. It has carpet, but it's really, really ringy in here. Now you probably can't hear it very well because this Rode K2 is sitting within the Halo right now. Now they have this in black and they have it in purple, but this is the black one. So I'm just going to get on this microphone and kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like in the Halo. And it's in here pretty far, certainly inside of these edges. And then I'm just going to pull it out and take it out in the room and see what you think. So I'm here, check 1, 2, 3, sibilant, sibilant, check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3. And I'm speaking at a pretty good volume here, 80 decibels. And now I'm going to bring it out here into the room and speak at exactly the same level, and you can hear the room quite a bit more. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, sibilant, sibilant, sibilant. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, sibilant, sibilant. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2, sibilant, sibilant. Now, one of the great things about the Halo is, unlike other Porta Studios, you get it closer inside toward this back wall. You don't get that weird hootiness. They've really engineered it really, really well so that you don't get a, sort of an in-housing resonance at all. Let's try it on a cardioid polar pattern. Check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3, getting loud, sibilant, sibilant, sibilant at about 80 decibels. Check 1, 2, 3, check 1, 2, 3, getting loud, sibilant, sibilant, sibilant. So for us, the Aston Microphone's Halo is the best thing we've heard in being able to reduce ambient noise and get rid of reverbing in any room you're in. I mean, if it can sound reasonably good in this room, you're going to be way better off with this in any environment than anything else we've seen. And the further you get it into the Halo, you don't have any, as far as we can tell, any kind of resonant frequency nonsense that you always run into with anything that's boxy or straight round. Although we recommend you get the purple one. It's super cool. Sounds exactly the same. If you've gotten any value out of this video at all, please subscribe to this channel and come visit us at cinemasound.com, where we have hundreds and hundreds of videos and articles that are free available for you, and the world's only comprehensive 85-hour Whoa, I bumped that. Whoa, look at that. Woo! The world's only 85-hour comprehensive education for independent media creatives, for sound, for multimedia. Until then, we'll see you in the ADR studio.
Even if you're